In this video, I'm going to teach you how to earn $83 using only your cell phone. Check it out. Greetings, I am Franco with Digital Empires, and if it is your first time on the channel, I welcome you and invite you to subscribe on the button below and activate the notifications so you're the first to receive all our videos that we publish daily. Now, you are ready to learn how to earn $83 using only your cell phone. Are you ready? And it is? Then let's go. Okay, we are on my computer and we are going to go straight to my strategy. I'm going to teach you how to earn $83 using only your cell phone. Best of all, you can even scale this to a real business and earn $83, $85, $90, $100, even more if you apply to the letter what I'm going to teach you, and this is a new strategy. It is a strategy, it is a page that I have never mentioned, something that I have never mentioned before within the channel. And what we are going to do is basically focus in 3 questions. And can you say, Franco, 3 questions? What do you mean? We are going to make money just by asking 3 questions. And it's basically making money nothing. So pay close attention. Let's go with the first page, but first I want you to comment right now. Let me know in the comments. What is your favorite? Is it YouTube? Is it Instagram? Is it Quora? Is it Pinterest? Which? Let me know. I'm really looking forward to how you guys are making money and in which platforms are making money every day. So let me know so I can find even more strategies for you to earn money. Or is it Google? Is it Mr. Google? Let me know, because right now we are going to use Mr. Google for this strategy, and the first page or what you are going to write within Mr. Google is the following. Pay attention, you are going to write SERPclicks exactly as it is here, SERPCLIX, and you're going to go to this page that is here called SERPclick. Here quickly 5 seconds. I want you to go to this page right now. And you can say, Franco, I have never heard this page before. Of course not. Because that's what Dorival of Digital Empires, to show you the new and the latest pages that will teach you how to help and allow you to earn money online. Now I want you to know that this too. You can do it with a cell phone, as you can also do it with a computer, as in this case. I work every day from the office in my house, but if you want to do it with your cell phone, this also applies. As you can see, SERPclicks is a page that says Real Clickers, Advanced SEO, and we are going to talk about SEO here, since many have asked me, tell us about SEO, a strategy for SEO. How can I make money with SEO, without having clear experience? Don't worry, you don't have to have experience, because this page, as you can see here, is the multi-source solution to improve organic rankings, or SEO, the search engine optimization to send traffic from real human visitor clicks, not robots, to pages. Okay? That's what this page is. This company doesn't. Here is a 55-second video, which also you can see it if you want, but we are not going to take all that time. And as you can see, here is the page. It is self-explanatory, it works all over the world, as you can see, for SEO. Do not worry, because it is not for your page. It is not for you to do. I just want you to know how this page works. So you have an idea how you are going to earn. This is the first page. We will use 3 pages for this strategy. And do not worry, because this is not with affiliate marketing. Here I am not going to tell you to go to, because I don't even know if he has an affiliate program. Well, I haven't noticed, but anyway, what are you going to do? It is very, very, very simple. And do not worry, because no, you are not going to earn money directly from this page, but I want to show you examples so that you can do something and then you can capitalize, based on what I'm going to tell you. The page is called Fiverr, and if some of you don't know what it is, Fiverr is a platform where ordinary people like you and me come to put your gigs on. And you can say, Franco, that they are gigs. They are work switch. For example, if you have, say, some skill with graphic design, digital and animation, music, audio, programming, technology, business, lifestyle, industry and whatever. You can come and put a gig, a job, and collect 50, 100, $200 and people come here and hire you. Don't worry, because you're not going to put your gig on and you're going to wait for people to come and people buy for you to win. No, we have to be ahead. We have to be ahead, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 steps later than all our competition. So what are you going to do? It is very, very simple. You are going to come here quickly to the search engine, and you are going to type Google Rank as it is, Google Rank, and as you can see there are different people that for $5, $10, $200, $25, $45, $325. And we can go on. I mean, the price is obviously $100 and there are quite a few high prices. Why? Because this obviously correctly costs, okay? So there are people here who have the knowledge of how to do SEO, search engine optimization, to any page in order to rank on the first page of Google, because that is what you want your page, your website, to be on the first page, something that perhaps not you, but people who have businesses want to be on the. You are going to put your gig here, but you are not going to wait for people to come and say, oh, you are doing SEO. Not. You are just going to be guided by a gig, for example, which costs, for example this one, which is $200. And as you can see here, there is a person who gives you one of his gigs, etc. And you can see here that he charges a gig. But you are not going to wait for people to come buy your gig. What you are going to do is the following: you are going to come quickly to Google, which is the third page, is that you're going to type something. For example, we have to focus on one product. Something that people are selling or potential customers. For example, today many people from Facebook, right? Whether it is Facebook ads, etc. So we are going to put Facebook courses, and as you can see, do not focus on the ads, that does not or rather, in the real positions. Like for example this is the first page. On the first page you don't have to do absolutely nothing. I want you down here a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. There are many, many pages. What are you going to do? You're going to the second page, okay? And for example, we are going to look for a product. Something that someone is selling, a complete course on Facebook and Instagram. To this one, for example, which is on the second page. And as you can see here, they sell you a course, perfect. Well, it would be $100 more or less for ads online. And as you can see here, this page has different products. Digital marketing course, social networks, design course, web pages. It is very simple. As you see here, this product is on the second page. Obviously they could be with a good SEO, with a good positioning from the search engine. They could be quietly here on the front page and they could be earning even 3, 4, 5 times more than they are earning now. Because if you see here, they are on the second page. And generally people never come to the second page of Google. Everyone always focuses on the first page, and if they don't find what they are looking for on the type something else. So the people that are all the products, pages, website that are from the second page on, basically do not exist. So what are you going to do? Very, very simple. You're going to ask this person, this product owner, 3 questions. We are going to go back here to the page, and for example, you can see here is that you are going to contact them, okay? And you are going to ask them these 3 questions. These 3 questions that are here, are you going to tell them how many searches per month do? Obviously, before you have to introduce yourself, you can put here, for example, your name, your email, your phone, and here you can put, for example, hello. I dedicate myself to the positioning of web pages with SEO inside Google. I have made 1 search and I found your page. I see that you could position on the first page of Google under the term of your course or something related. Well, something like that. Obviously, here I am, just getting a little information out of my head, but it takes at least 5 minutes to write something. You can tell him here, I would like to ask you 3 questions. Perfect. And the 3 questions are these that are here. How many searches per month do you want your desired? Is your current ranking position? Under this keyword, what position do you want to have under that keyword in Google? Why? Because you using this page, what? It is what you are going to do or how you are going to make your website rank under such a keyword, for example, Facebook courses within Google. And it is very simple, because page is in charge of doing all the positioning, because what they do is hire people to click OK. Do a search and click on your page too. Google realizes that this page is having a lot of searches, and so they can position them more and more, higher, and even reach the first position of Google. So, the company that the person who is working to click a few cents wins, and you also earn by applying drop servicing, that it is you who provide SEO services without you doing them. But using and leveraging you in software, in companies like SERPclicks to do the work for you, and the customer simply pays you. Very simple. What are you going to do? For example, as you can see. Let's go here. Let's suppose that this person wants for his page, for his Facebook course, his website wants, say, 94 searches, for example, monthly searches for your keyword, which would be Facebook courses, for example. In current positioning we are going to say that it position 20, second page more or less, and obviously wants to position number 1. So that would cost them, or it would cost you $117. You have to pay, or the person would have to pay $117 to this page so that their website can be ranked number 1 within Google under that term. Facebook. But what are you going to do? Obviously you are not going to tell the person, I have a page that does that to me. No. You are simply going to tell her that you can position, suppose, in the number 1 position with more than 2,000 searches per month with that keyword, so that your website is number 1 here. Let's go there quickly here. So it's here on the first page. Here it is on the second, it would be here on the first page. Suppose here. So, that person can earn more money selling their product, their courses, and therefore all they are going to do is pay you. How much? Suppose, you can pay around $200. $200 for you to position that keyword with Google with your website. So it would cost you $117. But that person pays you, let's say $200, so that you give him the position and you keep the difference. 200 and minus 117 gives a total of $83. And you can do it literally with your cell phone. You come to this page, you create a free account. $83 without doing anything. You create this page, a free account. You come here, you put a gig of Fiverr, okay? But you are not going to leave your back. He says yes. I'm interested, or yes, I'm interested, and you send your Fiverr gigs so they can pay you directly there. You could even give more information, tell him, look, that's how you create that chemistry with the person. That relationship where the person says, okay, he wants to help me. She wants to help me. I need to rank via Fiverr. You get paid, you come here, you pay this page to do the searches, and you keep the difference, that would be $83. It's that simple and easy, doing these 3 questions. And you can do this over and over and over again with different customers, with different searches, and with different products within Google. I would love to tell you that there is more, but if you liked the video, hit like, likewise let me know in the comments. If you already knew this SERPclicks.com page, and if you did not know, what are you waiting for? It's a gold, and you can today offer your SEO services to different people who have products in Google and want to rank number 1. Franco Dorival says goodbye with Digital Empires. Until a next video.